Ndereti gigutetera ihoto cia umundu guku bururi-ini ni uhoro tari wagie icoka na ateteri ihoto cia umundu makoretwo magicokia kwaga kurumbuyo na njira igwete. Ikundi ici ni ciunganite na kugeria gwetha kihonia kia nditire magomagira riria mehanda gutetera ihoto cia ria hinyiririku amu wagi wa mbeca ni murigo umwe ukoretwo kimahinga.
Tucokererie civil society kana muingi hinya uria twaninire thirikari ya party imwe oneno ni kwinina yo nyene na wici na Uhuru no njuga ni arakigeria kunina wici no ndigwiciria aici ni makurika uguo hatari undu ugwikwo.
Hindi ya iruguria ria thabari ya kwambata kirima kia Mount Kenya ni mehoete kunyitwo mbaru ni Akenya niguo kumahotithia gukinya gacumbiri ga kwirugamia matakwirigirira mundu.
So we need to create our own community, and that community can't happen without us supporting it. So my call to you is that please stand up with the coalition, support them.
And we've seen through time human rights defenders not only being harassed but losing their lives. It happened in Moi era, it happened in Kibaki era, it is still happening.
Gikaro-ini kiria kiumbitwo riri ni uria wari jaji Willy Mutunga na mutongoria wa Akenya Matongoretio. Atongoria aya ni mahinyiririe bata wa gwikira hinya ikundi ici ona kuri uguo makamuria kuoya mieke ya utongoria niguo kurunga maundu maria monaga matagutwarithio wega handu ha ukuithania murigo.
But the greatest defense that we will ever get as human rights defenders is when you contest for political power. You can't be a neutral in this country to the oppression and the kind of political leadership that we have.
Maundu maya ma human rights adu monaga tari maundu manene tari maundu mari kuraihu na ithui ni maundu maria tuturaga namo. Tari wona kuria gwitu Nyeri kuri andu manyitaga ciana iria twitaga rape and defilement andu acio mabatere kunyitwo. Kaingĩ ona ateteri ya ihoto ici ni mekorega hatĩka-inĩ na amwe ao magate muoyo makigeria gukinyĩria ihoto cia muingi. Atongoria aria manyitanire nao meteketie kurumbuya ikundi ici ni njira imwe ya kwatura bururi kuma minyororo-ini ya waganu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Julius Karithi wa munene.